there will be no excuse for not growing your hair to your desired length and thickness come 2026. So if you know you're not tired of slow hair growth, thinning edges and constant breakage, keep scrolling. But if not, if you really want to grow your hair thicker, longer and healthier, then you need to watch this video till the end. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy and compliment of the season. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make and use this powerful herbal hair growth spray that has helped me and others to retain so much length within a short period. Plus the result is sustainable, so you don't have to worry about losing your length when you finally stop using this remedy. So please, I will urge you not to skip any part of this video because I'll be dropping a whole lot of information, and there is no how you can get all this information and not grow your hair in 2026. So please watch till the end, okay? So from the title, you already know we are going to be using cloves for this recipe. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and helps to improve blood circulation to your scalp. It helps strengthen hair follicles, it helps reduce excessive shedding, and it supports healthier hair growth. It's also helpful for those who are struggling with thinning hair. And for the measurement, we'll be using 1 tablespoon of cloves. And the next ingredient we'll be using is rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most trusted herbs when it comes to hair growth. And rosemary doesn't just grow your hair, it also helps increase scalp circulation, reduce hair fall, strengthen your hair roots, and improve thickness. Rosemary is often compared with minoxidil, but the only difference is that rosemary is natural and doesn't come with any side effect even when you use it consistently. So for the measurement as well, we'll be needing just 1 tablespoon of rosemary. On to our next ingredient, which is fenugreek seed. These fenugreek seeds you're seeing right here are rich in protein and nutrients that strengthen weak hair strands, reduce breakage, improve your hair elasticity, and add softness to your hair. If your hair is the type that breaks off easily, this herbs right here is going to help strengthen your hair strands and reduce breakage. So we'll also be using 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Now our final ingredient for this recipe will be ginger powder, and I'll be using half tablespoon of ginger. Ginger is really powerful and strong, so you want to be careful with the amount you'll be using for this recipe. So make sure to use just half tablespoon of ginger powder. Ginger is great when it comes to improving blood circulation and stimulating your hair follicles. It also helps in reducing inflammation on your scalp. And in case you don't have the powdered ginger, you can also use the fresh ginger. Just go ahead and grate it or smash it, then measure out 1 tablespoon. Now for this recipe, we are going to be using the infusion method. That means we are going to be adding hot water. So I added about 1.5 cup of hot water into these herbs, and that's about 360 ml of water. Okay, so you're going to add really hot water into this, and we are going to cover this. We are going to stir this up properly, then cover it up and allow it to sit for the next 24 hours, or you can just allow it sit overnight. And please, for this infusion, make sure to use a heat resistant bowl or a glass jar. I don't even know what I was thinking, and I used a plastic jar. I ended up transferring it into this stainless bowl. So please make sure you're using a glass jar or a bowl that is heat resistant. Now this is how this mixture looks after 24 hours. And when looking at this, you can tell that the ingredients have released all their nutrients into this mixture, and that is exactly what we needed, and that is the reason for this infusion. Now the next step we are going to be taking is to strain this mixture. You're going to use a cheesecloth, a strainer, something that you know can strain this mixture without the powder particles escaping into the spray. Okay, so you can strain as many times as possible just to make sure that all the powder particles doesn't escape, because this can block your applicator bottle. You see this mixture right here? There is no way you can use this consistently in 2026 and your hair will not grow. It's not possible. This right here is going to give you a guaranteed and long-lasting result. I honestly don't know how to hype something, but I urge you to try out this recipe and see for yourself. So just in case today is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. On this channel, I share natural hair growth tips, hair DIY care remedies, and healthy hair routines. So please subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upload. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. We are finally monetized on this channel, and it wouldn't have been possible without your support. Thank you so much, guys. So now you can join my membership, you can register for my membership, and also for those of you that have been saying I want to give you a super thanks and you're not monetized, now I am monetized, guys. So you can go ahead and send in your super thanks and all that. Okay, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. And now, after straining the mixture, just go ahead and transfer everything to your spray bottle or anything you're going to be using in applying this to your hair. And now that the spray is ready, knowing how to use this spray is also very important. Knowing how to apply it, how many times you should use it, how to store it, and all that is really important if you want to see massive results. Okay, and that's what I'm going to be doing next. I will show you and explain how to use this to get a faster result. Please and please, I will urge you to pay close attention to the details I'm going to be dropping in this application process. Okay, most of the time why you complain that a DIY didn't work for you is probably because you didn't watch a video till the end, so you missed out on important information. That's why I always urge you guys from the beginning of the video to watch all through to the end, because I might be sharing important information that is going to help you see results faster. So when you don't watch the video to the end, you see that you get to miss out on those information and you end up using the DIY the wrong way. So first of all, this spray is a leave-in spray, so you don't need to rinse it out or wash it out. Okay, so to start the application, you're going to be spraying this directly to your scalp and to the strands of your hair. Though spraying it to the strands of your hair is not compulsory, but if you experience breakage, you want to strengthen your strands, you can spray it to both your scalp and the strands of your hair. But if your main goal is to stimulate hair growth, stop excessive shedding and hair thinning, and grow your hair thicker and fuller, you're going to be focusing on your scalp. Now, after spraying your scalp and your strands with this spray, you're going to squeeze it in and massage your scalp in a circular motion for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, you're going to allow this spray sit on your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you're going to be sealing in the moisture using a leave-in conditioner or a hair butter and oil, only for your hair strands and not your scalp. There is absolutely no reason applying oil to your scalp after using this spray. Just spray it, massage, and leave it alone. Allow the herbs to penetrate and do their job. Your scalp produces its own natural oils, so adding oil on top of water-based spray can block your pores, trap moisture incorrectly, cause itchiness or build-up, and reduce how well these herbs is going to get absorbed into your follicles. For this spray to grow your hair, your scalp needs to be clean and breathable and not greasy. This herbal spray is totally safe to be used daily. It's totally safe to be used on daily basis, but please do not moisturize your strands on a daily basis. You can use oils, butter, or leave-in conditioner to seal in the moisture on your strands at least 2 to 3 times in a week and not daily. And as you can see in this video, I will not be sealing in the moisture on my hair strands, and that's because I sealed in the moisture yesterday. So today I will just spray and go, and I will not be sealing it in. Now let's talk about the storage of this herbal spray. You can store this in the refrigerator and use it within 7 to 10 days, then make a fresh one. Don't expect an overnight result with this spray. You're going to be using this consistently, and before the first quarter of 2026 you're going to notice a huge difference in the length of your hair, the thickness of your hair, and of course reduce shedding and breakage. Just stay consistent and you're going to be grateful you did. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to leave a comment. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.